Good to see everyone. Good to see everyone. Welcome to How to Get a Credit Card If You Have Bad Credit. My name is Robbie Allen. I'm the president of Credit Restoration of Texas. Been helping people since 2007 get their credit straight. So I know there's a lot of different stuff out there on the internet. There's a lot of different products to help you build your credit, but this is the fastest way that I have found to help my clients boost up their credit. You need to have, it's all written here on this one little tiny, easy to read screenshot right here. You need to have 3 to 5 primary revolving lines in order to have a 620 or above. I mean, 3 is the minimum. In order to have a good credit score, you have to have a good credit history. You can't just have a bunch of bad stuff or even just a little bit of bad stuff and nothing good and actually have a fair credit score. You have to show that you have the ability to pay off a creditor or a credit card or an installment loan or a vehicle for months and months and months, preferably up to 12 months and longer. So it's real simple. If you have below a 600 credit score, you need to get a secured card. Yeah, you can try to apply for some other cards. The chances are very, especially if you're below a 580. Below a 580, your chances are very low of getting approved for an unsecured card, okay? So I just put here, if you're below a 600, you must get a secured card. The cards below report to all 3 bureaus. Is that misspelled? Oh my gosh, that is terrible. There you go. The cards below report to all 3 bureaus. The reason that I like these cards is because they only require a $200 deposit. I talk to people every day. Well, I want to go to my bank. I want to go to Bank of America or Chase or this or that. That's fine. But most of those companies, most of those big banks, they want a $500 deposit. And you're way better off taking your $500 and getting 2 $200 cards and 1 $500 card. You want to have a more robust credit profile, right? So the first one here is First Progress. Great card. Let's check it out. You'll click on the link, which are down below. First Progress, you go in. I mean, these are legitimate companies. They service tens of thousands of people, every month. It's very simple. They've got their Platinum Elite secured card. You go in, you fill out the information. You'll put in, of course, your banking information. They'll deduct $200 from your bank account. They put it into a savings account, and then you will receive in the mail a credit card that has a $200 limit. So my advice to people is, try to keep it low. If you're going to use it, maybe use it to fill up the car with gas, $50. And when the bill comes in, pay off your $50. If you do that every time, you'll never pay interest. Everyone's like, well, what about the interest? Well, if you pay off your credit card, the statement in full every month, you'll never pay interest. It's only when you're carrying a balance. But we're also talking about a $200 balance if you were to max it out. So the interest is going to be very, very small. Even if it is, you see these numbers down there, it's still it's $200, right? Just pay it off. So that's First Progress. That's a good one to get. The next one here is Open Sky. Once again, this is also a secured card. So we'll check this one out. Open Sky, same concept. 0 risk to apply, 35. They're all going to have some annual fees. I mean, you're trying to build your credit out, right? You're trying to get the thing going, okay? You've got to get these 2. If you're 580 or below, there's just no sense in messing around with all these other things that are out there, okay? So, Open Sky, you click through, you know how to fill out an application and, how much your gross income is, make sure that you put in all different forms of income that you have coming in. And all of that stuff, make sure you're putting in good phone numbers and emails and things like that so they can verify you. All right. So if you have a 600 or above, and I say a 580, maybe, and I mean a 580 across all 3 bureaus, then maybe you would go for this. A 600, I would definitely go for, apply for the unsecured cards. Now, unsecured, you don't have to put any deposits down, right? Now, there's no guarantee of approval, but I would say that these are your best chance of approval. This one right here is Surge Unsecured Mastercard. Also, these report in as little as 10 days. So you can actually see most of our clients see really big bumps in their credit. It could be 20, 30, 40, 50 points. And really, they're like, well, what about the inquiries? inquiries are going to be 1 or 2 or 3 points. And if your credit's not that good anyways, if it's 580 or 600, you're going to get more points from getting the card posting 5, 10, 15, 20 points than you are than losing a 1 to 3 point inquiry, right? So let's go here to surge. Okay, let's try that again. Ta-da, magic. Okay, so here we go. Surge Mastercard up to 1,000 credit limit. It doubles to 2,000. Of course, asterisk, simply make at least your first 6 monthly minimum payments on time, and your initial credit limit up to 1,000 doubles to 2,000. Now, of course, that's if you start out with 1,000, right? I would definitely check this one out. Lots of my clients have the Surge card. And once again, these are big financial institutions that, I mean, this is what they do. And the next one here is First Access. Come on, you can do it. Can we? Can we? Oh no! All right, let's try this again. You know what we're gonna do? We are just going to. We're going to do this. And we're just going to throw First Access right up here. Once again, these are all going to be down in the links below. First Access, same thing, you know, fill out a credit card, 4 easy steps, verify email address, street address, home phone. Do you have a checking account? It's better if you do have an active, all of these, it's better if you have a checking account. It's better if you have a savings account. It's better if you've been on your job 2 years and 1 year, you know, so if it's close, you know, just kind of, you know, it's better, you know, make yourself look as good as possible out there. So anyhow, if you have any questions about any of these cards, I mean, feel free to reach out to me. You know, Robbie Allen, Credit Restoration of Texas. We got a ton of videos. As you can see, we've been doing this since 2007. You know, there are some other things out there like Chime and Credit Strong, which, you know, we can do videos on those too, but Chime, it's more of like it uses a debit card kind of system. It's not really a credit system. Credit Strong is more of an installment loan. So you put money into it. And I've used them both to check them out. You put money into an account, and then at the end, it's like a savings account. You get to get that money back, which, yeah, it helps you build your credit. But really, I would say having 3 to 5 credit cards, like 2 secured cards, and then once those scores go up, getting yourself 2 unsecured cards, having 4, it's going to help build your scores way better. And then you can really get that unsecured credit that you're looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us 210-248-9061. You can go to our website, creditrestorationoftexas.com. You can email us. But hey, y'all have a great week. I'm out.